Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Christmas Eve guys, and I'm doing this recipe for you all today for Christmas for tomorrow. I only received my chicken ham today via FedEx from Trinidad, so it's better late than never, right? So to make this, I'm starting off with making my basting syrup. I'm adding some honey to my pineapple juice. In goes some brown sugar, and I'm also adding some sorrel concentrate. You can make any type of basting liquid for this if you want. It doesn't have to be the exact basting liquid that I use. So I'm just giving that a mix and set it aside. Next, I'm taking some cloves and I'm going to put it throughout the entire chicken. Next, once you finish, put your clothes on, pour that basting syrup all over your chicken. It's very similar to a smoked chicken. So if you can find a smoked chicken here in the US, you can use that. Now I'm going to place some pineapple rings. You can place as much or as little. I'm just going to place some on the top of the bird. So about 5 rings I used. And I'm securing them with some toothpicks. This just ensures that it does not fall off during the cooking or baking process. I'm also putting in some cherries. Now if you wanted to omit the pineapple and the cherries, of course you can. And next it goes into your oven, but I'm using my Traeger. You're going to put it at the same temperature, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And mine is going to bake for around 10 minutes. Every 15 minutes I went in and I took that basting syrup and basted the chicken. It's going to be very flavorful and very moist. I don't ever cover my turkey or my chicken when I bake it. If you like to cover it, of course you can. Once it's done, you'll notice that it has a really dark, lovely color, and the chicken leg was starting to separate already. You can see right there. So I'm taking it out, and once it's cooled down, all you have to do is go ahead and carve and serve. This was my first time trying a chicken ham, and I have to say, when I tasted that first piece, I was like, it tastes just like ham. So I now understand why you guys are so in love with this. It tastes just like ham. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. I'm serving it with coconut bake. The recipe will be linked down below. Thank you all so much. I'm sorry that this recipe is so late, but I hope you all enjoyed. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.